Okay, we'll have a moment of silent meditation and pledge to the flag. Thank you. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, I want to call this meeting of the Monongalia County Commission to order. Let the record reflect that all three commissioners are present. First item on the agenda is consent and approval with our county administrator, Renetta McClure. Good morning, Renetta.
Good morning. We have 15 exonerations for $4,219.10. One request to create a new statement for 30956. Minutes for September 8th, 2021. Vouchers, General County Fund 245-182.75. 911 $2,277.57. Chestnut Ridge Park $7,486.07. Camp Muffley $7,154.10. Mason-Dixon Park $2,291.86. Recreation Levy $2,896.32. Reallocated coal $267.56. Assessor's valuation $1,902.13. Payroll $1,754,602.16. Purchasing card vouchers, General County, $13,852.92. 911, $7,377.24. Chestnut Ridge Park, $22. Mason-Dixon Park, $136.70, for a voucher total of $2,045,449.41. We have a budget revision for jail reimbursable and central garage. The Dave Report Center budget revision is going to have to be held till next week. I'm not ready to do that yet. We have position vacancies for boards and authorities listed on our website. Fiduciary orders for September 15th, 2021.
Move to approve.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay, motion passes.
The fiduciary department asked if we could amend the date of the administrative closing hearing that we were supposed to have on October 13th to October 20th.
Okay.
They have to have 30 days to be able to send a notice out. And the 13th was not going to allow that 30-day mark. So we're going to move it to October 20th.
Okay, any objection?
None.
Okay, do we have a motion?
So moved.
Second.
Second. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Thank you.
Okay, next item on the agenda is introduction new employees, personnel changes. Youth Services Center.
MJ sent down a letter for Mason Vita. He is going to be a relief worker for the Youth Services Center. He's going to be part-time on an on-call basis, not eligible for benefits. His starting pay is $13.20 an hour, and he is starting on September 7th. She also sent down another one. If you want to approve both of them at the same time, because
Sure,
they're both for Youth
sure.
Services. She sent down another one, Kara Bozick. She is also going to be a relief worker part-time, on-call basis, not eligible for benefits. She's also going to be $13.20 an hour, and her first day of employment will be September 22nd.
Okay.
Move for approval for both.
Second.
Okay, we have a motion and a second. Any discussion? Okay. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay.
I have one more for the prosecuting attorney's office. Rebecca Hastings will be filling the vacant position of assistant director for Victims Assistance Program. She will be starting on September 17th. The yearly salary of $35,000.
Move to approve.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Okay, motion passes.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay. Next item on the agenda is comments from the public. Open up the comments from the public session of the meeting. Anybody from the public that would like to address the commission may come forward and state their name. See none. I'll close comments from the public. Next item on the agenda is Colleen Kuhn, grants. Morning, Colleen.
I have requests for reimbursements. The first one is for the Sept grant in the amount of $2,194.03. And the second one is for the VOCA grant in the amount of $5,030.11.
Motion to approve.
So moved.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Thank you. Okay, correspondence.
We have a couple of items. We have a letter of resignation from Charles Kraft. He sits on the Mason-Dixon Mason-Dixon Historical Park Advisory Board. He's a school teacher and he's involved in other activities after school, so he's just doesn't have the time to spend on the board anymore. So we'll have a vacancy there.
Okay.
And the other is a letter of thanks received from Bob Miller, who's Executive Director of the West Virginia Route 2 I-68 Authority, just for the commission's annual contributions to the authority.
Okay.
That's good. That's all I have.
Okay, just as a point of order, do we need to accept the resignation?
Yeah, move that we accept the resignation.
Second.
Okay, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Unfortunately, I've worked with Mr. Kraft, and he is, from the way he explains it, he is spread too thin. So,
Yeah.
we appreciate. We don't want to overwork people that are participating on our boards, and we're happy to have the time that we have them. So, anyhow, Commissioner Bloom, do you have any correspondence?
No, I don't.
Commissioner Arnett?
None.
Okay. Move on to the next item on the agenda is unfinished business. There's none. Okay, new business. Consideration to approve a master consulting agreement with Tetra Tech for work on the sledding hill at Chestnut Ridge Park.
Move for approval.
Second.
Okay, any discussion?
Tom, do you want to address the
Basically,
scope
we
of what's
need,
going on?
yeah, basically, we need an engineer to design, so we follow the correct procedures so that the hillside can meet the needs of the tow rope. Or the tow rope will meet the needs of the hillside, and we're just going through the process of following through and doing our due diligence.
Correct, using a professional engineer
Yes.
to spec out the exact specifications that, we'll need to slope the hill and provide numerous consulting agreements, deliverables regarding this sled hill. The not-to-exceed cost on that is $24,800. We have a first and a second. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay, any other new business? Okay, we're moving along. Reports from elected officials and/or department supervisors. Do we have anybody who would like to speak? Okay. Reports from county commissioners. Tom?
Yes, first I have a meeting tonight with Region 6 that I'll be attending. And also I did go on vacation, was supposed to go to Vegas, went to Erie instead. Erie is not Vegas, but I will tell you it was great to get away. Got some ideas for how to do some tourism, and I was sharing them with the CVB. And the only other issue would be that we are moving the major food giveaway that would have been this weekend to next weekend at Milan Park at our extension, and I'll have more information about that. Thank
Okay.
you.
Commissioner Arnett?
Just my weekly word on vaccinations. If you don't see it, I don't know how you don't. Read the Dominion Post in the obituary section every day that it's out. The dates of the deaths, of the ages of the folks that are dying aren't all 80 and 90-year-olds anymore. You're seeing 35, 42, 38. They don't always say COVID, but you can make a natural assumption that some of those are related to that. So please, please get vaccinated. You can get it anywhere. Our numbers are horrible. They're getting worse. We just need to get through this. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Since the last meeting, last Thursday, I had a MAP Executive Committee meeting, Red Team meeting, Development Authority meeting, and then I had an afternoon meeting with Russ Rochester and Ryan Lynch to discuss some economic development opportunities. And then at night, I actually had a personal meeting to install more seats at the stadium. So that's always fun. Friday, I had an economic development meeting, and then we had staff reports. Monday, Mylan Park Foundation Extension Building meeting. We had a kitchen walkthrough, and then I had a meeting with senior Mylan Park Foundation management. Today's a regular day in work sessions. Tomorrow, at the end of the day, I have a MAP meeting, Morgantown Area Partnership. Tomorrow I have Mylan Park Foundation Executive Committee meeting, Mon County Broadband Survey meeting, both kind of at the same time. So I'll juggle those. Friday we have staff reports, and then I had Broadband Initiative full team meeting. I do just want to add on to the comments about COVID. Ben, I'll give credit where credit's deserved. The Dominion Post editorial actually got one right today. They pointed out the difference between the vaccination rates in Mon County versus Preston County, and then the difference in the numbers. And I think they stole this from Dave Wilson, though, because Dave was talking about this yesterday, and he was right. Last year around this time when the numbers were blowing up, we were really focusing on the WU students, where most of the numbers were coming from. This year, the numbers are blowing up, and the student population is fine. They're 80% vaccinated, so I can't help but think that that's the reason why. Same thing with our school system. Our employees, I believe, Eddie Campbell, the superintendent, said that they're 78%.
Yeah.
So we don't have the problems that other counties are having.
Right.
So the vaccination and the more we can get vaccinated does help the numbers. So again, I let you know when they're wrong, and I'll point out when they're right. But they got it right in today's editorial. So I ask everybody to wash, sanitize your hands, wear a mask, and watch your distance, and continue. We'll try to work through this. I know it's aggravating, but we can get there if we can just get a few more people vaccinated. So, having said that, I'll entertain a
Move to
motion to
adjourn.
adjourn.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
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 Okay.